What's up, everybody? In this 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get your YouTube videos to rank. So ideally, you should be using a Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. This is the basics of what TubeBuddy does. You search for something, just like you would normally on YouTube, and then in the right here, you get a score of the keyword that you search for. So we can see here that Skillshare alone is a 9 out of 100, but if we were to revise this a little bit with a new keyword, then suddenly it gets to be quite a good score, right? So you want to target the keywords that have scores like this. Anything in the green is usually good, okay? So once you've identified a keyword, then what you want to do is make sure that the keyword shows up in 3 different places in your YouTube video: the title, the description, and the tags. I'm going to go into a video so we can see exactly what I'm talking about. If we go to this video here, what is Skillshare? Then we can see that I have what is Skillshare about and Skillshare.com review in the title. Also, in the bottom of the description, we have all of these tags here. And then also, in the tags themselves, we have these phrases. Okay? So the basics of getting a video to rank is identifying the keywords, and then once you've identified the keywords, you put them in your tags, in your description, and in your title. This isn't the only stuff that YouTube looks at, but doing it in these 3 places will increase the chance that you actually rank. And in some situations, you will be able to get your video to show up before major YouTubers' videos by putting these tags in these 3 places. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.